We make you and your company look great. Our sales partners will hunt and find or even create the perfect promotional piece for you. Then we'll work with you to customize and brand it in a way that gets noticed. Through us and our worldwide network of promotional partners, you can access more than 1 million products. Look to HDS for corporate apparel and uniforms, top clothing brands for tees, sweatshirts, hats, and more, and world-class workplace uniforms. Promotional merchandise, gifts and giveaways at every price point. Thousands of unique items developed to make an impression. Incentives and awards. Trophies, plaques, gift cards, even trips to recognize and reward. Print, packaging, and signage. Direct mail, signage, and business form printing utilizing a coast-to-coast printing network for fast delivery at excellent prices. Contact your HDS sales partner today for more information. 800-220-1497. Contact at hdsbrands.com.